All right, today I'm gonna try the world's hottest pepper. Here we go. Cruz, why you drinking beer, bro? I mean, I got enough money to buy a thing of milk.
That milk ain't gonna feed me. You think I'm a big girl? I like to eat.
I can handle all that.
Oh, wait. Whoa, don't talk to him.
Dude, I can't breathe. Cruz, come over here. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Caden and Caden channel. Hope y'all having a great day because today I'm going to be getting a buzz cut. I'm going to get rid of all this because I'm going to be looking like Joe Dirt soon. I can't be having that. And also, we're going to be eating the Carolina Reaper. So, yeah, enjoy. And hair trends, I'm about to get a 4-guard buzz cut. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm with my boy Cruz right here and I'm ready to get my buzz cut. All right, so I haven't had a buzz cut since I was 6 years old, so I think I'm about to be chopped. What do you think, Cruz? You think I'm gonna be chopped?
You always chopped.
Okay. Spread your money, bro.
Yeah.
Hey. Dang.
Yeah.
You got any blues? You got any hundreds?
Yeah. We stay with the money.
Oh, yeah?
You already know. Last night was a movie, bro. I got the best head in the world.
Cruz, how many girls you had dancing on you? Golly, man. Did you get any action after that?
Yeah.
Was you throwing the money at them?
Yeah.
Dang. I wish I had it like you, bro.
You know that woofy dance?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it right now. Oh, jump. Oh, shoot. Hey, bro. You ready for your cut?
Heck yeah, man.
I hope I don't get chopped, man.
Man, you won't be chopped.
You think I'd look good with a buzz cut?
Yeah.
So like a 3 or 4? I should do a 4?
Maybe like a 6.
Okay. All right, man. That's what's up, bro. What you getting? What kind of cut you getting?
Getting a trim and then a fade.
Ooh. Okay, man. Hey, you going to prom?
Nah, homeschool.
Oh, dang.
I'm one down.
All right, man.
It don't look bad. The longer hair does cover up your cowlicks.
You think I look like?
So that's a plus.
You think I look like Jeffrey Dahmer though? That's what I've heard a lot.
No, that's crazy. Who told you that?
Just a lot of people pick on me and call me Jeffrey Dahmer,
Oh, that's nice.
and then it like makes me cry sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah, just a buzz.
Okay.
I gotta get looking right for prom. I can't be looking chopped, you know.
I mean, it's a buzz cut. You can't really mess that up.
Yeah.
You just got no hair.
How long you been working here?
Like 6 going on to 7 years.
You like it?
Yeah, I've been here this long.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Ooh. All right.
Light work. Or
Go
not?
ahead.
You want
Go
a
right
light work or no?
I don't care. Do it.
Alright.
All right. I'm
If
ready.
it's too hard, you can get that back, alright?
All right. Well, I look good, son. Cruz, what do you think? You think I look good? Cruz, why you drinking beer, bro?
Cuz, I'm a feed.
You getting lit? You getting lit, Cruz? Cruz, you getting lit?
My wife's a movie.
We gotta run and we gotta get some milk.
So you put the vape.
Yeah.
You gotta run and get till this one.
So we gotta eat it and we gotta run and get some milk and then we're gonna drink it.
Oh, that's gonna be fire. That's,
Yeah,
that's a
it's
good
like
idea.
a milk run, pretty much.
Wait, you gotta. This is y'all should
Y'all about to
do.
do it right through here?
We're probably gonna do the end. Where should we do it at? Where should we
I
do
was
it at?
thinking like after you ate the pepper, right?
Uh huh.
Then y'all got time to run into the store, but y'all can only grab one carton of milk.
Yeah.
Between the two of y'all, y'all both can't grab one. So whoever gets the carton of milk first and leaves the store,
Oh,
get
get
it
to
when I
drink
get
it
to drink it
first.
first.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Oh my goodness.
That's a good idea.
other one gotta wait.
Whoever gets it first,
Oh my
gotta-
goodness.
whoever gets.
All right, today I'm gonna try the world's hottest pepper. Here we go.
Here we go.
Fuck. Need some sugar. Need some sugar. I need some milk. I need some damn milk. Oh my God. Dude, I can't breathe. Cruz, come over here. Dude, I can't breathe. Dude, I can't breathe. Dude, I can't breathe. Dude, I can't damn breathe. I can't damn breathe. Dude, you want some more sugar? Fuck.
Where? More sugar.
Fuck. God help me. God help me. Fuck.
Help me, bro. Help me.
Oh my God. Oh, back up letting people through. Back up letting people through. Oh my God, this is so bad. Dude, I need milk. I need milk.
Help me.
This is so bad. Oh, this is so bad. Don't drink all the milk, bro. Don't drink all the damn milk. Or let go of it.
No, I love the t-shirt.
Oh my God. Bro, give me that damn milk. Give me that dang milk. Give me that milk. Woo. Oh my God. Oh God. Stop chugging it.
Is it better for you?
My lips are numb.
I can't feel my mouth.
Dude, stop chugging it. You're chugging the whole damn thing, bro. Here, have some. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, the eyes come back.
Okay. Mine's starting to go away. Whoo, shit. That lit me up. That lit me up. Guys, Do not try this. We're retarded. That's all I gotta say. Wow. Oh my goodness, dude. I look if I can throw up. This sugar's helping though. I'll tell you what. Oh my God. I'm burping fire right now.
Oh.
Carolina Reaper. That's all I gotta say. Don't do that shit. Woo! Oh God. Bro, when the heat hits you, you just can't breathe. Oh my God, you literally, like it literally locks you up.
You alright?
Yeah, I think so. Mine made a little mess back there. If y'all want us to clean it up, I'll clean it up.
Oh, wow.
It was back there on the milk, with the milk.
I like milk still, but like sugar.
I can clean it up though if you want me to. Run outside. Run outside, bro. You think you're good? All right, where's the tag at? 5-star. Yeah. I gave y'all a 5-star though.
We appreciate that.
Well,
And don't eat this pepper no more.
I won't. That's my only time doing it. Never eat a Carolina Reaper.
Yeah,
Don't do that shit, man.
Y'all go, hey, you got me on that camera?
Yeah.
Well,
He's a photographer. I'm a model, so he's taking pictures of us.
because if I'm gonna get on the camera, you gotta let me fit my hair first. And then
Okay,
you gotta tell me
okay.
you from. You gotta tell me where I'm
You
from.
look good. You look good like that.
Yeah, you look good.
You look good. I'll take you home right now. I'll take you home right now.
You got some money? And you gotta have
I mean, I got enough money to buy a thing of milk.
Well, that milk ain't gonna feed me. You see, I'm a big girl. I like to eat.
I can handle all that.
Oh, wait. Whoa, don't talk to her.
I might be small, but I can handle all that.
Talk to her, then.
I'm like Jack and the Peach. You ever seen that movie?
Give it to her.
You ever seen when he gets in the peach?
I ain't never seen it.
Oh, okay. Well, you gotta watch the movie to understand what I'm talking about. But he can handle that peach.
I'm gonna go look at it just because you said it.
All right,
All right, y'all have a good day.
you too. Woo! Yee yee! Oh man. You okay, Cruz? Feel like gonna throw up? Really? Oh God. Ugh. Ew.
Yo.